These are all my super agents. They're AI teammates that create productivity for my team. I'll walk you through how to create and work with your first ClickUp super agent in this video. Click on the AI icon in your nav bar. If you don't see it there, you can find it in your apps hub. Once you get to the AI homepage, click on New Super Agent. Here you'll see a variety of pre-built agents you can choose from. For today, I want a personal assistant super agent to help with reminders, emails, meetings, and tasks. Essentially, does the work that I don't want to do. The builder gets to work customizing the agent to fit my needs by asking some clarifying questions, like what area of work do I want the agent to focus on? It's provided me with some options to choose from, but since I want the agent to cover all of the options, I'll just go ahead and type that in right here. Even if I don't know exactly how I want the agent to work, the builder will guide me through the process, asking clarifying questions to make my agent as helpful as possible. And just like with this question, I'm really just looking for my agent to keep my schedule in order and assure that I'm not missing deadlines. So the first option is perfect for me. Now it's asking how far ahead it should look for upcoming deadlines. To be honest, I can be a bit forgetful from time to time, so I want a 3-day heads up for all upcoming deadlines. And I don't want my super agent blowing up everyone else's notifications with task comments, so I'm gonna have it direct message me with reminders and summaries. Lastly, I can allow my agent to handle my priorities, but I am a bit OCD when it comes to that, so I'll let it give me suggestions, but I wanna have the final say. And now that it has my preferences, looks like my super agent is ready to go. Here you can see a full rundown of instructions that my agent has, and I can go in and edit any of these whenever I want. Or I can chat with the builder again, and it will update the instructions for me. If we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see where you can edit how the agent is triggered, along with setting up a specific schedule of when you want the agent to automatically run. For this agent, I want them to send me a DM every morning at 9 with my schedule and tasks that need my attention. You also can pick from any tools you want the agent to have in their belt, along with its memory and knowledge sources. The super agent builder should set all of this up for you after chatting with it. But you can always make changes and add more tools or knowledge. Now that I have an agent, how do I work with it? I can DM my super agent directly and have an open discussion with them. Any message I send in this DM will get a response from my agent. And I can mention them in a task comment to take action for me. If I want to follow up with them, I need to mention them again. But there's also another way to work with super agents. You can assign them to tasks. The personal assistant agent we created is not triggered when they are assigned on a task, but I can change that by simply going back into the super agent builder and turning that trigger on. And now you know how to build your first super agent and work with them so you can create more productivity.